24 hours in a day, and I get to do math, hey hooray. Y equals mx plus b with Mr. Ng. We're making history.
Hey stats students, have you heard the latest stats joke? Probably. We'll be continuing on our one-on-one conferences, grid view, and game plans, week 29, March 15th to March 19th, 2021. We are focusing in Chapter 4, Probability. We are this week going to do 4.3 two-way tables and Venn diagrams to help us understand probability. You know, it's been about 1 year. COVID turned, since we went home 1 year ago last Friday. So I know that's quite remarkable, and it might have been devastating or not going back to school, but for you guys, I want you to continue on. What's our learning goal? Students will be able to calculate probability using two-way tables and Venn diagrams on their guided notes. Statistics, conditional probability standard is we're just going to be using those two-way tables. Our agenda today is our game plan, school and room 902 news, week at a glance number 29, and our one-on-ones. To give you guys a big idea about what we're learning, whoa, that did not work, is statistics. This is what we learned in chapters 1 to 3. Let's just say you have a paint bucket, and given the information in your hand, what is in the pail? So like you pull something out like marbles, and what you get in your hand, you know, your sample can tell you about the population. Well, now, what is probability? It's given the information in the pail, so they're telling you everything in here, what is in your hand, which you don't know, okay? All right. School news, remember spring break is next week. So we're here on the 15th, and then here in purple is spring break. I need to finish up quarter 3 grades. Quarter officially ended last Friday, and definitely buy your yearbook. Remember, the official way of your grade is through Aries. And you turn in and you get work through Schoology. How do you turn in late work? I'll show you guys later. Khan Academy is coming up the Wednesday after spring break. You need a total of 180 minutes. Don't forget to be active in Zoom. I can tell by Pear Deck and the Zoom minutes. Remember, these are all the ways to get help. And if you want to talk about life or just get math help, you can click on this link to set up an appointment. And these are all my clubs. And I already closed the Chapter 3 test, so it should say closed. And we'll probably use the test corrections for Chapter 3 as a way to prepare for the finals. So hold on to that work. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And week number 29, the essential question is, how do you calculate probability using two-way tables and Venn diagrams? So today, week 29 at a glance, one-on-ones, and homework 4.2. Tomorrow on a synchronous Tuesday, I'm going to give you guys a workday or Khan Academy catch up on stuff. Wednesday, I'm going to release lesson 4.3. Thursday in class, you can work on lesson 4.3. I'll be continuing those one-on-ones. Actually, we don't have one-on-ones on the asynchronous days. And then on Friday, which I don't see you guys, you can work on homework 4.3. Now, you kind of want to get all that work done. So maybe the motivation for you is if you get all of that work done, then, so again, this is week 29. Next week, you have spring break. And then the following week, okay, here's the surprise. I know you don't like it. So the Monday we come back, I'm going to give you guys a quiz. And all your work is due. Okay? Why do I do that? Because it's just we have a synchronous day and it keeps up with our pacing. So your motivation is this week, get everything done so you don't have to worry about it during spring break and you can rest. What kind of work is done? Everything from 4.1 to 4.3 will be due in Schoology again, March 29th at 8 a.m. That's week number 29, students. We'll see you guys. Bye.
24 hours in a day, and I get to do math, hey hooray. y equals mx plus b with Mr. Ng. We're making history. Pythagoras, Euclid, and Gauss learned the math and you'll become the boss.